Hey, good morning, YouTube. How are you doing? It is Saturday morning. It is about 11:30, and I wanted to jump on here and show you guys how to do a listing to a Shopify store. If you already have a Shopify store, you probably already know. I'm just going to show you how I do it, and maybe you'll learn something new that you didn't already know. And there's a digital download app that I use as well that you may not be familiar with. I'll show you that too. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. I hope you guys have been doing wonderful. I do have this, I'll show you real quick what we're going to be listing. It's a commercial use junk journal kit. In my next video, I'll show you how to go through and edit it. It's got all this handy dandy stuff, and you can create your own kit and sell it. So I wanted to go ahead and jump on here and show you guys how to list it in your Shopify store. So you're going to just go ahead and log into your Shopify store. And then from there, you're going to go to products. You're going to go add a product. We're going to title this. We're going to go with commercial use because that seems to be getting more views than other ways to start it. Most of the time it will only let you capitalize the first 3 words there. So we've got commercial use junk journal. Cannot type this morning. Apparently spell either. And since I already have my description and my Etsy listing, I'm just going to go to my Etsy listing real quick. Grab that from over here. Go to my back end of my store. That's why I don't have it over there for you guys. And then I've gotten to where, so I don't have to waste a lot of time in my Etsy descriptions, gotten to where I actually will open up a Word doc, save my template that I have created in a Word doc, and then I just have to go through and change a few things. Apparently earlier this morning I couldn't spell embellishments. It doesn't like the word Canva in there. Let's see. One bad thing about doing that way, if you don't change everything, like I used it for the Instagram listing last time, so I didn't change a lot of stuff in the very beginning this morning and had to keep redoing stuff. Embellishments. Add your own flair. Is that how you spell flair? Apparently not. I need to correct that in my Etsy listing. Flair. Guess I was rhyming with Claire. Alrighty. I'm going to be doing this video, so I've actually just listed my last video that I did for the workbook, I believe it was. So I've started doing templates now, creating my own templates, and I've got those up there. Okay, and then I've got my pictures already done that I did for Etsy. They're actually in my downloads, so we're going to grab those real quick. They do work for Shopify, same size setting and everything. I love this little template here. These are some great Canva photo I guess templates as well, because my mind's not coming up with another word for it yet, about how to actually get it to look that cute. Cutesy poo is one of my newer words when we moved in to this house, so I've been saying cutesy poo a whole lot. That little template, things like that, I just drag and drop in there. And then I created that one. I've got that dude there. I think that's adorable. I don't know why. It just caught my eye. I'm like, oh, that's different. So I've been trying to one-up my listing photos. So I think I've been doing a good job one-upping it. Let me know what you guys think about those. Pricing-wise, since this is one that you can actually create a kit and sell with, I have it priced a little bit higher than what I've been seeing, but because it's a new store, new listing, we're starting out with $13.77. Why $13.77? I was talking to someone the other day, and they had suggested to start going with one-off numbers, which I kind of already knew that. Leave that at zeros. Nobody sees that anyway. Cost is my time, and some of the templates I did buy, like going into these, like that one I purchased. That one was in a set. That one was in a set as well. But it helps my listing look a lot more professional, I do believe. We're going to put 25 in there, and I'm going to use this in a bundle that I'll tell you guys about here in a minute too, to help people start opening up their own shops. I'm going to do a bundle and get that listed. Once I have the bundle ready, then I will review it, of course, with you guys. So you're just going to go through here and select your country that you're in. I'm in the US. Does not have variable, but you can print it any which way you need to. That's how it's going to look on Google. And then if we wanted to edit that, let's see here, page title. It won't take out that space. That's what I was going to do there. And then so I don't forget to actually go and save it, I'm going to go ahead and put it active. And then I actually did sign up for Pinterest ads, paid Pinterest ads for as a mistake, because I was already past my free. They give you $100 to spend and add advertising with Shopify. So I accidentally went past that and it hit my cart. So don't do that. There's a buy button. I'll go over that in a whole new video once I actually start using the buy button. The product type is a regular junk journal. No vendor. It's not in the collection yet. It is a journal. Scrapbooking as well. Could be considered printable. Game template, yes on that one. Hit save. And then the digital one, that digital app that I was talking about in the beginning, because it is a digital product, which is all I sell currently. We're just going to say add digital attachment. That is one of the apps that you have to add when setting up your Shopify store, so that somebody can easily just click it and get it in the download. After I upload the file, there's nothing else that I have to do. And let's see, I'm going to go to my folder. Actually here, junk journals made by me. It's everything that you get in that. We're actually going to say, because it's in a Canva file, so I do my little introductory letter with my links, and then you guys do have to have Canva to use this, and I will go through that for you. This is already uploaded and live. Those are some of my products there, and let's see here, I wanted to show you guys the actual, what you're going to get with this. It's going to be a PDF that includes your link to your Canva Editable. I guess how you say that one. Alright, because I'm in a different browser. Let me just drag it and drop it over here. Hold on 1 second while I grab that for you guys, just to show you what it's going to be, what it is. Alright, remind me later. And so what this is the journal itself. And so I wanted to do it like this to give you guys different options of how to set up your first page if you like your little blogs too page, which apparently a lot of people do like that. And then of course I just wanted to show you guys you can actually change the color of everything here, of course. And then some extra pages. Got your little photo frames. This is the actual journal writing part that you can print out and write on there, and gave you guys some extra journal pages. You can make as many copies as you want of this to download it. You've got your tags. You can go through here and edit the tags, make copies of these sheets just by hitting duplicate if you would like more of those. To change your colors out, of course, you can do it like that. You even have purple, whatever you want there. And then more tags, little envelopes. You can resize these if you want to copy it and drag it up here. Like one of these blank pages, you can actually, let's say, edit right there. And then when you print it, you can slide whatever you want to, or you can, print this out and slide it on top, however you want to do that. Got those little pocket envelopes, little tags there, more tags, these little inserts there. You've got those, and that is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy the journal if you decide to get it. And I think it's going to be a really interesting product. We'll see how it sells. You guys have a great Saturday, and I'll be back with more videos later. See ya.